Hi, Anthony. So last time we talked, you said you had concerns about your nutrition and physical activity and how things are going to be changing pretty soon. And you'd like to make some changes now?
Yeah.
Okay, and what were your problems again before that you said you'd like to help and...
Eating out too frequently, continuing to work out, even though my sports are done, cut back on pop and sweets too.
Yeah. And before you said you were drinking pop about at least one
Twice a
can
day,
or 2 times?
Yeah.
And how many times a week?
About 4 or 5.
Okay.
But now I've cut it back to about 2 or 3.
One can 2 or 3 times.
Yeah.
2 or 3 times a week.
Yeah, every other day about.
Okay. And you'd like to still just kind of try and cut it out completely.
Yeah.
And what about your sweets?
They're more of snacks in between meals or like a late night sweet tooth, but I feel like that needs to get cut out too.
At least a little bit more than what it is now. What would you say that you drink or eat snacks again?
Probably.
Snacks.
What are they?
What are they and how frequently do you eat them?
Probably once a day, and like Oreos, pretzels, little cookies.
Cakes.
Yeah, cupcakes.
Okay. And what do you think your level to change is on a scale of 1 to 10?
Like a 7. I think I'm ready to change.
So you're ready to, you want to get it down now. What do you think some possible solutions to this problem could be?
Not to eliminate it like cold turkey, but easier way into it.
Okay. And how do you think you can do that? Just cut back now on the frequency?
Stick to more fruit and vegetable based
stuff.
Foods, yep.
Okay. And can I possibly give you some advice and some tools to help you change? So maybe we can, to cut back your sweets, maybe try and swap out maybe less sugar, sugar-free, reduced sugar snacks, so you don't have to completely cut it out. Or you could space out your meals and maybe bring some healthier snacks with you, so you're not just running to the vending machine or the gas station and getting some sweets. And then for the pop, maybe we can try and find some drinks that are juice-based or some milk. Do you like milk and do you like fruits? Would you try a vegetable-based drink?
Drink? I guess, yeah.
Because maybe if you don't like just plain water, and that's maybe why you're drinking pop so often, or would you maybe even be opposed to even like a lemonade, bring lemonade packets around, or get them?
Yeah.
Okay. And so what would you like to try to do?
In total or specifically on one?
Specifically one of these kinds of options. What would you?
Well, with the eating out more frequently, I feel like that could be helped around the family too, that could be helped in the family as a whole. Okay. More home-cooked meals.
By who does all the cooking?
You do sometimes, but Mom too.
Okay. So maybe, I have an idea. Maybe we could designate you to do one day. So then you can learn some cooking and meal prep tools to help you once you're away at school. Maybe it could be not as homemade, seeing that you won't have a kitchen your first year.
True.
So something that maybe we can have you do something that will be easy, better choices, so you can learn how to make better choices. Would you want to try that too?
Yeah, that would work.
So we're going to write down some goals that you'll try and implement for the next session. You want to write them down?
Sure.
Okay. So first with the pop. How many times a week would you like to drink pop and kind of cut it back?
Probably maybe once every 2 weeks.
Once every 2 weeks you'd like to?
Yeah.
So you can write, I will drink pop or soda, any type of pop drink, once every 2 weeks. And we'll assess that in our next session in 4 weeks.
Yep.
Okay. And what would you like to do about the sweets?
Try more fruits and vegetables and try to cut those out completely.
So you will eat more servings of fruits and vegetables as snacks or with your meals?
Both.
Both. So let's say you'll have...
Or actually more of with the meal so I fill up and don't have to have a snack.
Okay.
In between.
So your goal will be then that you'll have at least 1 serving of fruit with breakfast, a serving of fruit and a serving of vegetables with your lunch, and then from there you can either decide if you'd like more fruit or more vegetables with dinner.
Mm-hmm.
And then maybe we can go back through your nutrient assessment and see just how well you are doing